So you heard I withdrew $3,330.67 from Copy Pro Traders, and you want to see me do it live. Let's go. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? My name is Kawan Money Mail, successful online entrepreneur, 6 or 7 figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies. I'm thinking this one as well. And look, hey, you know me, I got a treat because y'all been watching my journey since what, January? And hey, 2021, just in case we go past that, like 2022 later, y'all be watching this video. But anybody that's been watching my journey know that we've been on this journey for like the past like 8-9 months, right? Just out here, killing it, because I have been in profit every month that I have joined. I have not lost any money. So everybody has been watching my journey. We are going to dive in and show you what we have been doing with CPT. So let's go and dive right in. Let's go and show you our back office right here, where you see that right now I have currently earned right here, available BTC for withdrawal, is over $3,330. Okay, year to date, you see we crossed it. We coming up on 40K. Okay, so we made some good monies. And now, being transparent, this right here is from the sharing side of things. So when you share with others, but I haven't even shared with much. Like I think I got like 15 active right now at this point. So I don't even think I have a lot, but I have a lot below that. That's what it is. It grows because you get down multiple levels, and then it really starts to add up. So I recommend taking advantage of both sides. Take advantage of the trading and take advantage of sharing. That way, I mean, why leave any money on the table? It's free to share, right? And most people want to make money as well on autopilot, not having to worry about sitting in front of charts trading, right? So you might as well bless somebody else and then get paid for it. All right. So what we're going to do is we are going to withdraw this money right now live. Okay, live. Let's do this. So we hit the withdraw commissions. And that's what I love, that everything is in real time in your back office. Your money's not being held up. It's not waiting. Now look, it went to zero. You heard that? Money just be arriving that fast. Look at that fast. Look at a few seconds ago, just arrived, pending. So let's see how much we have. And there you go, 3,305.32 minus the fees that they took, which only though $33. I can live with that. All right. So boom, just that simple, just that quick, just that fast. As you can see, CPT is the real deal. Now, so we can also see what we're doing on the trading side of things, because you guys been watching me. That I think I put in 5,000 some change, back in January. Okay, and then I don't know, did I take some money out of this one? I believe I took some money out too. Not a lot though, I kind of let this one sit. And I remember we had that big old crypto crash, so at that time the account was down. But the nice thing about when your account's down is it's only down when you cash out. Okay, now I did take some losses because I ended up cashing out manually. But as you can see now, today we are back up, okay, in the green, okay, looking nice and pretty. That's over $1,500 profit right there already. And that's where we're currently at. You can see right here my trade balance. I have over $4,000 in equity, and it means that's how much I got to be able to trade with. So that's how much more trades I can take. Currently, right now, I'm taking $300 a trade. And if you look over here, everything's in the green right now. So they start closing some of these out. Balance is going to go up. More equity, more trades, more. It's just going to be lovely. All right. So, man, look, this is my #1 crypto opportunity. Okay. It's been paying consistent. I've been at this since January. Okay. This is my Kraken account. So if anything happens with the company, all I have to do is take off the API, and I can even show you just how simple this would be. Okay, so I would just go to my exchange settings. Okay, I would come right here and I would just change this API, and then I would change the secret code to nothing. So now it's no longer attached to my account. Or if I didn't like a certain trader, like right now I got Carlos Cruz, and let's say he just started trucking on me, then I can easily just pick any one of these other traders, and I can change the amount that I'm trading. Simple, fast, and effective, right through my back office. Hit the save, and done. They no longer have access to be able to, overtrade or blow anything. So as long as you keep track of what's going on in your back office, as long as you're not over leveraging yourself. And what I mean by over leveraging, like let's say you had $1,000 account and you're taking, like I was just doing, $300 trades. No, I mean, you only can be in what, like 3 or 4 trades, and then after that your money's gonna be held up and you're not gonna have no trade equity. And what that means, when you take all these other trades, you're not gonna be in them. You might be in this 11% trade right here, you won't even be able to be in it. Or even worse, some of these trades might be in the red. So the first 3 or 4 trades they put you in, you might be in the red. And remember, I told you, they don't like to close out in the red. So what they'll do is they'll just let it sit until we in the bull market like we are now. And then boom, things go back in the green. Then they close them out. So let's say they do that with you, right? And your first 3 trades is in the red. Like that one just went in the red. And you only have and you took $300 a trade on a $1,000 account. Well, guess what? Now that this is in the red, it's held up. So you only got 2 more options, and if these 2 go in the red, when they take all these trades, you're not even going to be able to take them because they didn't close these ones out yet. So that's what I mean. Those are the ways to end up not having success back here. Is if you heard some people say, "Oh, I was in CPT and I lost." I'm like, "Well, how did you lose? We got the same trader taking the same trades." These are the ways that people lose, okay? You over leverage your account. You don't end up being able to take advantage of other trades that's being taken, okay? So now you're missing out. You might be missing out on 11 or 8, and you know what I mean? Only got in this little 1%, 0% one, so you didn't really make much. So you might be saying, "Man, I didn't make as much," but I was able to get all these other trades that were equally high. Look, 7.97%, 670, 728. So by me being able to take advantage of all the trades being taken, and look, I still got $4,000 worth of equity, and I'm taking $300 per trade, so I can still get in by 10 more trades, okay, and be fine. Or so this is the reason why you want to make sure that you don't over leverage. Also, put enough money in so you can properly leverage, okay? But hey, I'm not an advisor. That's just what I'm doing. All right, so look, if you're ready to join, there's a couple things you can do. All right, so you can go ahead and hit that link below, okay, cptelite.com, and hey, we'll get you going. Or if you got questions, I got answers. Call me, 619-306-9453. Love to answer any questions you have. Or if you'd like to see all the other opportunities I have going on right now, some of my top income. I'm only going to give you the best of the best. So if you want to see my top income opportunities, right now, then here, do me a favor. Text the word money to 702-553-3326. Or look above. See that? See that QR code that's been sitting up there this whole time? Well, if you take your phone, open up your camera, put it in front of that QR code, scan it, and hey, I know you ain't new to it, right? We've been in a pandemic. Y'all been scanning restaurants all year. All right, so do the same thing to that QR code, and you'll learn and get access to all my top income opportunities. All right. So I appreciate you. Hey, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel. That way you get notified when I do these. How? By hitting that bell as well. All right. And then you won't be left out in the cold saying, "Hey, man, I didn't know about CPT and getting all this money." Okay. Grow your crypto, because right now, as you can see, we're in a bullish market and it don't look like we're going down anytime soon. I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next video. Until then, have a blessed day.